What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Cornwell Monday. Mr. Joe's out here, so let's go take a look, see what he's got.
Hey guys, how you doing today? I hope you all had a good weekend. Well, we'll just brush over real quick, but my pile of cash got a little bit bigger this weekend. Green Bay Packers won. The Titans won too, and the Titans won in overtime, so they fought hard. I don't do a lot of time really watching the games. I just keep up with it because I need to. But usually my weekends are way too busy. But anyways, that's that. I got something here. We got a part number here, GSI 1055 Universal Compression Test Kit. Let's see if we can...
Made in USA. That's nice right there.
It even gives you the Ford Triton adapter, so that's in there too. That's a fit. Couple extra Schrader valves right here.
That's a nice set right there.
Yep. And these here are on sale for $118.
118 bucks.
$118.
That's not bad at all, especially USA made.
There we go. Now we're going to go, because even though it's hot this week, we're going to show you the new Milwaukee winter jacket logos. 100 year, so a lot of stuff starting November, December is going to start hitting the 100 year logo put on it. And the back is this. Now this is the lightweight jacket. There is a heavyweight jacket, winter jacket, that has the hood on, and the cuffs are I'll say to stretch, so it keeps it nice and sealed. But these are Breen made. You got the heavy duty snaps, heavy duty zipper. They're $100.
Nice jackets.
Now, I got a chance to make orders in the next 3 weeks. Keep them at that price and not at $125. So, I don't know if you can go online and see the heavy duty jacket with the hood and all that, and me, that's the kind of jacket I wear, because when I go home, I use the hood.
There you go.
Hood, hat, or I just have the hat. The hood just keeps my neck covered. Covered neck is warm. Okay, we have. I can show something a little different, because I had a customer have me get these special because he was working somewhere, he had some guy that had this, and he thought he had to have this type wrench. It's made by Mountain, but it flexes, it's reversible with the push of the button. You got the extended side on one side, 2 different sizes. This one's a 16, 18.
Wow, that's a nice.
So it has a 17, 19. This is a five-piece set here. It's got the spline drive. Here's the part number.
Okay.
The 5-piece set, it's on sale $226.
$226.
So it's not bad. I like this guy because he says, if you're going to get me that, give me the metric and SE set, whether he needs them or not. There's a 4-piece set, and they're on sale for $177. But it covers from, give us our sizes on here, from 5/16 to 11/16, 3/4.
That's a nice set.
So
I like that length.
yes, they're long, they're heavy duty, he works on heavy equipment, so when he says, I need this, I don't know if you carry them, find them, I did.
There you go.
So
Can't beat that.
I tell him that's what I do. Got a new Streamlight here. Rechargeable. USB. 250 looms. Now, they make the clips, so it clips in your pocket, but they also have the reverse on here. So when you're wearing your hat, as we see, we threw a Packer hat on here. One of mine. You can wear it on your bill, and the light will shine where it is. It's not too big, not too heavy.
Right.
They come in different colors and everything. They got 250 looms. It even gives you a little cord strap on there so you can wear it and not lose it.
Right.
These are $56.
Those are very nice. It's hard to beat those Streamlights.
Streamlights, you go in any shop and across the U.S. or anywhere else, every guy has a pocket light, more than likely. Every one of them Streamlight.
Yeah.
There are a few that are different. Not many. Since how we're talking Streamlight, we got this big bad boy. It's a Streamlight Rechargeable. It's a ProTech HL5X. I got a box and I'll show you that in a second. But look at that bulb.
That's a bad
You can tell it's bad. I'll show you how bad it is. On my hand.
Woo!
That is blinding. That's all I do to show
Yes.
people, and I can feel heat from that right away because it says hot. We learned to read one day. And if you're standing on your head, it says hot on the other side too. That way you don't miss it. It's just, but 3,500 looms, rechargeable. I'm telling you, this will light up anything you need lit up.
That is crazy bright.
3,500 looms. Now when you're looking at this 2,500 looms, you're trying to figure out what does that mean. What that means is if you run out your charge on your batteries, you got a couple of the Streamlight CR123s handy, because I always keep a stack of those. 4 of these will fit in there, but it'll only give you 2,500 looms. But it'll work. That's the thing. It'll run a full hour, 15 minutes, because I know you're going to ask me run time. You always get me on that, Clay.
I always get you.
You always get me on that. Full hour, 15 minutes on full high.
That's
3
awesome.
hours on 1,000. Because you can dim it down, you can strobe it.
That is awesome.
This is it.
How much is that?
Part number. We can see that. You just told me this big bad light, 3,500 looms. I know the part number. They are 185.
185.
185, and it uses 2 of these Streamlight rechargeables, USB cord. Now what I
charge on the battery then?
Yeah, charges to each battery. It gives you a cable, USB thing and 2 plugs on the end, so you plug them both same time. It takes a while to charge these, so I've been telling people that when you get this, buy the extra 2-pack and like piggyback charger, $80. Get you 2 more batteries. Get you that other charger. I believe that charger is a faster charger than this. I'm having that being researched. I don't know that exact answer, but it's coming up.
There we go.
The other week I was talking about our wrenches being aircraft approved and being the only ones. Well, what I should have stated was they were the first ones approved for aircraft because of the way they were cut.
Right.
So
I think you kind of implied that. That's what I got out of it.
well, just making it clear, because if you don't make it clear. And I always talk on the fuzzy side, so
Mr. Joe, let me tell you a secret. YouTube, everybody is gonna bitch about something.
Nah, it's just like
do your
let's
thing.
just do it. Let's just do
good.
it. Let's have fun. That's what it's about.
Somebody's gonna bitch about something.
Speaking of fun, we got one of these here going on for you. And poof, here we are in Clay Shop. We're going to do a a demo on breaking down tires. You see,
It's fully aired up. It's got
Fully aired
110 PSI in it. So
You wanna-
you've got a tool that's going to make this easy, right?
yep, we got a tool.
All right.
Do you want
So we're going to get Bill to
pull out
yank the valve
pull out the
stem
valve
out.
stem?
And as soon as she gets empty, guys, I'll turn this thing back on. That way you guys can see it. Alright, while Bill just put a little bit of soapy water around it, just to help it lube it up.
We're gonna let him demonstrate the bead breaker. This here saves swinging a big hammer, especially when we're talking hot weather, which it's hot today. And same thing if you're changing tires out on the street and it's really cold out. You don't need to spend a lot of time out there, but it also does, on aluminum wheels, it saves all the chance, all the issue of
Dinging and
causing the
getting
damage and having somebody be upset.
There you go. Let's see how easy it is. Wow,
That wasn't hard out.
that's easy, ain't it, Bill?
Yep.
That side just popped loose anyway.
Too easy.
Too easy.
Alright, so Mr. Joe's got this
Now
this
here-
crazy contraption here.
This here works on, what we're gonna do is get in there on the tire. We have here a socket that comes with this handle, it's greasable. This part here is replaceable, the end here is replaceable. So you do enough, you wear it out. All you do is grab your Mr. Clay's heavy duty 1/2 inch impact.
Hate them hog rings.
Mm-hmm.
Go the other way.
Let off of
Is
it?
that it? No, it's going to pull right off of the rim. I don't think you want to, well, that'll work too. Just keep it straight up though. Just let it pull right off. Okay, reverse it.
Actually, when he says reverse, you got to
Yeah.
put it in
Forward.
forward gear to go back down.
Okay, and then what we're going to do is grab the bottom side of the tire. You can tell I don't do this. And
Go back down with it. We're back in reverse.
back in reverse. I don't know if I'm fighting you or not, but keep going.
That is cool.
Now, you didn't work up a sweat, did you?
No.
Now we can back to now, I think once you do this a couple times, run it just a little bit so it's not locked on there. When you get used to doing this, you'll be doing this one hand, holding on to this, hitting the impact.
Right.
You can change tires. You can change an awful lot of tires, not work up a sweat, not get beat up, not work yourself. The tool does the job for you.
There you go. That's what you look for.
They are expensive. I'm not going to tell you they're not. But everything comes with a price. I'm pretty sure this here, which comes with this here, Comes with the adapters because when you're putting tires on, I believe this works in reverse putting tires on.
Okay.
I'm not that technical on being able to do that yet, but you get the adapters for it, and as you're wedging around, it gives you a couple wedges to hold in place, gives you another little bar. You get the bead breaker, you get this, you get the socket, you get everything you need for like $2 grand.
All right.
All right, folks. Now, if you're just interested in the bead breaker, these are $185.
That's well worth $185.
Bill was talking about, compared to other ones you use, this wedge thing on the bottom would pivot on the other models. He says whenever you try putting the bead, it wants to turn every which way. This one stays in place. So he thought that was a lot better. So
That's very nice.
we got that in there. Just let me know.
Woo. Goodness.
But
That's nice.
Doing a lot of tire work.
if you do a lot of tires all day, you'd be doing this and then go home and say, hey, I can do whatever else I want to do. You're not all beat, wore out, tired. So thank you guys. Hope you have a great week ahead. Anything else you need, let us know.
Alright guys, Mr. Joe's card is going to be at the end of this video. If you decide you want one of those awesome hats, or not hats, but jackets, or anything else that he showed today, just give him a text message. Like I say, his card will be at the end. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe right down here below. Subscribe, it don't cost you a dime. Click that bell, that way you get the newest, freshest, latest, greatest, awesomest content that we can provide you. You guys have a great one. We'll catch you next time.
So many to choose from.
Now, she has a whole lot more. Next week I'm going to be changing this out.
My mom has one almost just like that.
You sold a bunch of it. You had both of them full.
Yeah, you have. It looked like it was really full when you first got everything.
Yeah.
Pretty close, huh? Yep.
Oh, nobody know that wasn't the side.
That one's pretty. I like this one.
That one a winner.
That's the winner. Matches my ring and my bracelet.
Mm-hmm.